My question to you is 10 divided by half times 10 is equal to what? Most people wrongly solve this question because they cancel 2 and 10 and they will get 10 divided by 5 and hence their answer will be equal to 2, and that is not correct answer because their method is totally incorrect. So we have to solve this question again according to following order of operation such as PEMDAS, both mass or D-mass rule, and by following these rules we will be able to get this question as correct answer. Now we have division and multiplication only, and when we have division and multiplication we have to move from left to right. So division is at left, it will be handled first, and multiplication will be our second priority. So let us handle this portion first. Now we will apply another rule which is known as KCF rule. KCF mean keep change flip rule. So 10 is kept as it is. C mean change, divide is change into multiplication after flipping 1 over 2 into 2 over 1 times 10. Here it is simple now because it is a single number after multiplication. So our answer will be equal to 200, and that will be correct answer for this PEMDAS based activity. Thank you for your response.